Hey there, Jeep divers. Ready to explore the future of robotics? Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the Unitree G1, a humanoid robot that just got a serious upgrade. And trust me, you are going to want to hear about this. We're talking smoother moves, impressive tech, and even a bit of robot parkour. That's right, this thing navigates obstacles like a pro. Imagine a robot about 4 feet tall that can not only walk but actually run. And I don't mean some jerky, awkward shuffle. The G1 moves with the speed and fluidity that's honestly pretty remarkable. We'll get into the how later. But for now, just picture this thing zipping around, powered by a battery that lasts a solid 2 hours on a single charge. Now you might be thinking, okay, cool, running robot, but what's the big deal? Well, the G1 isn't just about speed, it's about brains too. It has this incredible obstacle avoidance system. Think of it like a supercharged GPS for robots that allows it to maneuver around anything in its path. How does it see those obstacles, you ask? Well, picture this. The G1 is equipped with a 3D LiDAR system and a depth camera, which basically gives it the ability to map its surroundings in 3D. It's like having a built-in blueprint of any environment it's in. And let's not forget practicality. Imagine you've got this G1 working for you all day long. You're not going to want to wait around for it to recharge, right? Unitree thought of that too. The G1 has a quick-release battery system, so you can swap them out in a snap and keep this robot running nonstop. Pretty slick, right? So we got speed, agility, and long-lasting power. What more could you want? Well, this is where it gets really interesting. What we're seeing with the G1 isn't just a cool gadget. It's a peek into a future where robots are seamlessly integrated into our lives. But how does it all actually work? What's the magic behind those smooth moves and impressive capabilities? And this is where things get really fascinating, you see. UnifoLM isn't just a simple program. It's a large language model specifically designed for robotics. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with AI lingo, think of a large language model as a super advanced brain that can process and understand information, kind of like we do, but on a whole other level. In the case of the G1, UnifoLM gives it the ability to learn and adapt in real time. It takes all that information from the 3D LiDAR and depth camera, processes it at lightning speed, and then figures out the best way to avoid obstacles. It's like the G1 is constantly thinking, okay, wall on the left, table on the right, got to find a clear path. Zip, there we go. But it's not just about avoiding collisions. UnifoLM also plays a key role in the G1's incredibly smooth and almost human-like movements. This is where those advanced joint designs and motion control algorithms come in. Imagine this, the G1 is running, not just in a straight line, but over uneven terrain, maybe even up and down a few stairs. To do this, it needs to constantly adjust its balance and coordination. That's where the motion control algorithms come in, working in perfect sync with UnifoLM to ensure every step, every movement, is executed with precision and fluidity. And all of this is powered by battery that keeps the G1 going for 2 hours straight. 2 hours of running, jumping, obstacle avoiding awesomeness. And when the battery finally does run out, no problem. Remember that quick release battery system. Just swap in a fresh one and you're back in business now. While the G1 is undeniably impressive on its own, the real game changer here is the potential. Imagine this technology scaled up applied to larger, more powerful robots. We're talking about robots capable of working in all sorts of environments, alongside humans, performing tasks that are too dangerous or difficult for us. Think search and rescue missions in disaster zones, exploring hazardous environments like collapsed mines, or even assisting firefighters in dangerous situations. The G1 is a glimpse into a future where robots aren't just tools, but partners, collaborators, helping us achieve things we never thought possible. But with all this incredible potential comes some important questions. We've seen what the Unitree G1 can do, explored the tech that makes it tick. And now it's time to tackle the big question that always comes up when we talk about advanced robotics. What about the human element? As robots like the G1 become more sophisticated, more capable, and more integrated into our world, it's natural to wonder about the impact on the workforce. Will robots like this replace human jobs? It's a valid concern, and one we need to address head on. But instead of viewing this as a robot versus human scenario, what if we see it as an opportunity for collaboration? Imagine a future where robots take on those tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or just plain tedious, freeing us humans up to focus on things that require creativity, critical thinking, and those uniquely human skills that robots just can't replicate. Think about it. Robots working alongside humans in factories, construction sites, even hospitals, each doing what they do best, creating a synergy that benefits everyone. It's not about replacing humans, it's about augmenting our abilities and opening up new possibilities. And here's another thought. As robots become more common in the workplace, new jobs will emerge. We'll need people to design, build, program, and maintain these robots. We'll need people to train them, to work alongside them, and to ensure they're being used ethically and responsibly. It's a whole new field with endless potential. So as we wrap up our deep dive into the Unitree G1, I would leave you with this. The future of robotics is unfolding right before our eyes. And it's a future filled with both challenges and incredible opportunities. It's a future where humans and robots work together, where technology enhances our lives and helps us solve some of the world's biggest problems. And who knows, maybe one day you'll find yourself working side by side with a robot like the G1, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and shaping the future together. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep an open mind. The future is waiting.